Tilt it down.
You ready?
Woo!
Where'd it go?
Out of the country.
Oh, I see it. It bounced right in front of that tree.
Yep.
Sure did.
Cool. Cut it off.
Yep, cut it off. You're gonna wait till we start shooting.
Right, you got a tangerine in there right now?
You're right at my thumb.
Yep, that's a pretty good seal in there. Last time we did a small tennis ball. This time we got a tangerine.
Hold it up. This is what Dustin uses on his hair in the morning.
Yeah, I need to get it straight, looking good.
But on his goatee also.
All right.
there.
These things.
There you go. Okay. Aim and fire.
Aim at that tree. You shot it before?
Yep.
That one kind of just blew it apart. That one went in like.
How's?
I think that was a little too soft.
Right.
Alright, cut it off.
Getting a potato in there this time. All right, is there anything in there?
Look down in the end. Look down in the end. Nothing. See how it's wedged in there?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. You ready? That way. Try it that way. Try it. Alright, now pour it down.
It should be a pretty big. Oh.
Hold that.
Not bad. Okay, trying another potato. Alright, let me get over here.
Okay.
Oh, let's see how this one does.
All right, you ready?
Oh, Rory, wait a minute. Okay.
Go, go,
Go.
go!
Ooh, cleared the fence.
That was a good one.
Ain't wet on Cheryl.